tutorial, we'll implement a drag and drop system in JavaScript. We'll learn how to reorder list items interactively with just a few events. This feature is common in modern apps like Trello or task managers. Let's build it step by step using clean and reusable code. We are building a list where items can be moved around with drag and drop. Items need to respond to drag events, give visual feedbacks, and reorder when dropped. This involves capturing drag start, drag over, and drop events. Let's look at the JavaScript code that makes this work. We first attach listeners to the drag list for three events: drag start, drag over, and drop. In handle drag start, we set the dragged element and initiate data transfer. This marks the beginning of the drag interaction. Let's break down what happens during drag over and drop. Once you start dragging, we track where the element is hovered over. We use get bounding client rect to decide top or bottom insertion. Items get borders during hover and restore once dropped. This creates a smooth reordering experience. Let's look at an example where we move desktop to the top. Dragging it above mobile makes it the first item. Similarly, dragging laptop below updates the order dynamically. It is all managed through the simple JavaScript DOM operations. In, in reality, drag and drop is widely used in productivity apps. You'll see this in task managers, playlist tools, and online form builders. The ability to rearrange items interactively makes your app feel more modern and responsive. Let's wrap this up with a quick summary of what we've built. We have a fully working drag and drop reorder list. You've learned how to handle events and update the DOM on the fly. This is a useful skill to have in any interactive web project. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.